Hey Mama, what you doing?
Hi.
Hi, what you doing?
I'm just hanging around in the house. Want to have a look over here?
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. This is the living room in here. Take a shot of that. See if you can see it. Good. Get a picture of my grandma and grandpa over there. Good. That's my grandma and grandpa. Good. Now look it over. Come on over here. Look at Mom's art on the wall. Okay, good. Now turn around over here. Have a look at that. Good. Good. Come on over here. Have a look at this one. See that?
Barely.
Good. Come on over here. There's some more paintings from Mommy. Mommy made. And what is this? Here's the one Wolfie made. There. Have a look at that painting. You see the whole thing?
Yeah.
That's Wolfie's painting.
Yeah.
Now let's see if the light changes. I wonder if the light changes.
It did.
Good. Okay, and come on over here. And come on up here. And look, there's a kitty. Look, there's a kitty. See?
Yep.
There's a kitty. And look. Here's a nice painting up here too. Okay?
Yep.
And there's another one. Another painting.
Yep.
Okay. Alright. Good enough.
Good enough?
It's a long video, isn't it?
That was only 1 minute, 50 seconds or so.
1 minute, 50 seconds or so?
Yeah, around there.
Alright.
Alright.
We need to tidy up the kitchen now, I guess.
Sometime. Yeah, well, see you later.
Yeah, that'll be happening.
Yeah, see you later, Mama.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
When are you coming back?
I don't know. Whenever it's appropriate.
Alright then.
Alright, see you later. Bye-bye.
See ya.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.